Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about oral hypoglycemic drugs. I have already discussed a video in oral hypoglycemic drug. I will just provide the link in the description box. Please do watch it. Now we will see about the metformin. Metformin is an oral anti-diabetic drug. It is an biguanide drug. It is an oral anticoagulant drug, anti-diabetic drug, which is meant for it is taken orally, so it is oral anti-diabetic drug. Mechanism of action of this metformin is the drug does not stimulate insulin secretion. It does not stimulate insulin secretion, whereas it does increases the peripheral uptake of the glucose in the skeletal muscle and adipose tissue. It increases the utilization of the peripheral glucose present in the skeletal muscle as well as adipose tissue, and depresses the hepatic gluconeogenesis. This is a process in which the glucose is produced. So gluconeogenesis, in where the liver produces more amount of glucose, this reduces the glucose level by depressing this gluconeogenesis. Uses of diabetes. Diabetes mellitus type 2, it is preferred in obese diabetic patient because it reduces appetite and weight. This metformin is given to the obese patient of diabetes mellitus type 2 because it reduces the appetite and weight. The dose of this metformin is 500 mg 2 times a day. Normally, it is given oral anti-diabetic drug. The adverse effect of this drug is metallic taste in the mouth, loss of appetite, and ketoacidosis. These are the adverse effects of the metformin. Now, we will see about the thiazolidinediones, which is pioglitazone and rosiglitazone. These classifications I have been already given in the previous video. Please do watch it before watching this video. Just given 15 to 4 milligram tab in OD, which is once a day. Here it is given 2 milligram once a day. Mechanism of action is they sensitize or they stimulate the insulin receptor in the cell membrane. Therefore, insulin action is increased. They increase glucose transport in the muscle and adipose tissue and reduces the insulin resistance. This is a mechanism of action of this group of drugs. Sitagliptin, it is another group of oral hypoglycemic drug. It is used in it is a recent drug. It is an oral diabetic drug, anti-diabetic drug, which is DPP4 enzyme inhibition. This DPP4 enzyme is inhibited. Generally, the mechanism of action, the intestine has two hormones after the meal. The two hormones are glucagon-like peptide as well as glucose-dependent insulin-tropic peptide. The function of these two hormones are which suppresses the release of glucogen as well as GIP, stimulates the insulin production and releases overall effect of two hormones into reduce the blood sugar level. This GLP increases the insulin production as well as increases both the hormones activity. So the overall need is to reduce the blood sugar level. These two hormones are needed to reduce the blood sugar level. But these two hormones, both the hormone which we said, are metabolized by DPP4 enzyme. So this DPP4 enzyme is inhibited by this drug which we taken orally. This sitagliptin inhibits DPP4 enzyme. When the two hormones level increases, there is reduced blood sugar level. This is the mechanism of action. The advantages are when the sugar level approaches normal, the release of the two local hormone decreases. When the level of the blood glucose level in the body is normal, these release of these hormones are normal. So it is a major advantage. So there is no chance of going into hypoglycemic stage. No hypoglycemia occurs which is with other oral drugs. Less weight gain as the drug slows down the movement of the food in the stomach. When these drugs are taken, there is less weight gain because the food which we taken into the mouth is slows down when it is moves into the intestine and stomach, so there is less weight gain. Adverse effects are stuffiness, running nose, sore throat, less appetite, and abdominal pain. These are the adverse effects. The dosage is 100 mg once a day, can be given with metformin. Thank you. These are the some of the oral hypoglycemic drugs. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.